Hello there and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to log in and use the Vimeo application on Android TV. Now we're going to click on apps and I'm going to go to the Vimeo application. Right there, that's the Vimeo application. All you need to do is log in if you have an account already. If you have an account, you're going to use the join for free. So in this case, I have an account, so I'm going to click on email. I'm going to type in my email and password. So right there, the keyboard pops up and you type in the email. So be very careful to type in the correct information because the information you use to create the account must match with the information you're putting to log in. If it does not match, Vimeo will not allow you to log into this account. So ensure the emails match. If you have multiple emails, make sure this is the one you used. That could be the problem which is preventing you from logging in. So check that, and if your email is correct, check the password. Make sure the caps are in the same order as they were when you were creating the account, and if you ensure the password rhymes well, you should have a seamless login experience. So right there you saw me putting the email and the password, and now Vimeo is going to send a security code to my email address. So I'm waiting for that code. Immediately the code comes in, I type in the code and I can access my account. So in a few seconds I'm going to receive that code. Alright, so now that's the code I received and I'm clicking done. This should take me directly to the home page and verify my login. So this is how you log into Google, or rather log into Vimeo using your Google Gmail account and your password. So I hit on save and I'm in the app. So now the dashboard is loaded. At the bottom you can see the save tab. This is for all saved content, the content that you have saved, your likes, what you've categorized as offline, your browsing history on Vimeo and all that good stuff. The next is the search bar. You could search for anything you're looking for on Vimeo and you find it there. Next up you have the manage. This will manage all your assets, your video assets and your libraries. You can create them right here. And also you have analytics at the top. So ensure your internet connection is stable. Mine is a bit shaky at the moment, but if your internet connection is stable, you should not receive alerts like this. I'm going to check my connection in a second. Okay, my connection is good. So I'm returning back to Vimeo. And right there you see analytics will pop up. You can have all your analytics there and navigate down to the bottom left toggle. This is on watch. So my feed is currently empty. This is because I've not streamed on this account yet. I've not watched enough content to have a feed. But when you start watching content on comedy, documentary, drama, animation, all of the content you like, you're going to have content proposed on your feed as Vimeo learns your likes and provides us content on your feed. So you could go to comedy, you could go to best videos 2025 and all these different categories to serve you content. Any content you want, just click on it and it starts to play. And that's how easy and seamless Vimeo is. If you like that video, I'd like you to drop the like button. If the information here was informative, subscribe to the channel and I'll be waiting to see you in the next video.